In this demo, you learn how to use the value-based search. In this example, we have a batch process. Our goal is having a high product concentration in the end. Therefore, we need more than 40 gram per liter in phase 7. We observed some batches with quality loss, and we want to find these batches in the last 3 months using the value-based search. Now I'm here in my TrendMiner. As a first step, I added my batch tags to the active tags list. In the second step, I want to adjust the time period and set it to the last 3 months. Now that I've prepared the time period and the tags, I can open the search menu by clicking on the magnifying glass. Here I can choose Create New Value-Based Search. To find batches with a quality loss, I have two conditions. The first one is that my process is in phase 7, the last phase of my process. And the second is that the concentration is below 40 gram per liter. So I'm adding a second condition, and I'm starting with the first one. That should be the phase tag that is equal to phase 7. This is the first condition, and the second condition is the concentration should be lower than 40 gram per liter. Both conditions are connected with an AND operator, so the phase condition and the concentration condition have to be true that I can find them as a result. I set the minimum duration to 8 minutes. This way, the results aren't affected by short concentration drops, and we only get results over the whole duration of phase 7. As you can see here in the focus view, the phase 7 has a duration of around 10 minutes. With search, I can start the value-based search, and I quickly get 12 results. This means that we had 12 batches that we couldn't sell because of a quality loss within the last 3 months. This was the demo on how to use the value-based search.